Morning everybody and welcome back. So today is Monday, January 27th, 11 a.m. I've already had my first coffee. I am now working on my second. That's definitely a problem. Guess who's gonna have major anxiety later? Me. But I pretty much just cleaned the house this morning and did the dishes, drank some coffee, went through my phone. But in a little bit, whenever G wakes up, he sleeps in really late, which is kind of frustrating because I can't be really loud until he wakes up. So once he wakes up, we're gonna go play some tennis. And I have not done any physical activity in months. Like, it's been 3 months, and that's so sad to say because I used to be such a fit person. Like, I'll insert a picture here. Like, girl, fitness was my life. I was going to the gym like every day of the week. I was swimming at 5 in the morning. Like, that was my life. And now I'm just like sleeping in and drinking my coffee like an old person. Like, what am I doing? You know what I mean? So this year I need to be like more active. I need to go to the gym, go on runs, go on walks, play some tennis. So we're kicking that little resolution off today. We're gonna go play some tennis. I'm so excited. We used to play tennis all the time, but whenever he started going to the gym with his friend, tennis was kind of like pushed to the side, and so was I, so it was just really unfortunate. So we just kind of stopped playing. So we're gonna get back at it today, have some fun little physical activity. We honestly really don't even know how to play tennis. We just kind of hit the ball back and forth, and the first person to get to 15 wins. Not sure if that's actually how it works, but that's what we do. So that's what we're gonna be doing, and I'm gonna be bringing you along with me, so that should be fun. So I'm gonna finish up my second coffee. I'm gonna have like so much energy. I'm gonna beat him so bad. I've never actually beat him in a match of tennis because he's also like very sports oriented. But that being said, today's the day, ladies and gentlemen. I'm gonna do it for you. I'm gonna beat him for you. So that's the game plan. I also have my water here that I need to be drinking because I also do not drink water, which is very unhealthy. So slicked my hair back for this little physical activity-ness, put on my eyebrows, and I'm ready to roll. It's also kind of cold, so I have my Aritzia sweater on. I'm gonna put my Aritzia bike shorts, and I have to find my sneakers because I don't know where they are, and that's a problem. That's how you know I have not done any workouts in months, because I don't even know where they are. So I gotta go find my shoes and everything, and I will see you guys whenever we go play tennis. I'm going to go get my hair done at 1:30 for real this time. If you watched the last vlog, I went into the hair salon and it wasn't even my day to get my hair done. So today's like the legit day for it. It's going to be super awkward, like walking in there and having people just stare at me because, I mean, everyone saw that I walked in there and didn't even get my hair done. It was just super embarrassing. So I'm going back for round 2 and I'll bring you guys along. And then tomorrow I am super excited again because we are going to tour another house. So I'm super excited for that. If it feels right, then maybe we'll place a offer in. If not, the search will continue. So that is kind of the update on what's going on these next couple of days. Cheers. Love you. So I'm covering the camera because I'm gonna do a hair reveal. Basically, I went in there and we decided spontaneously to dye my hair a color, and I normally don't dye my hair a color, I just simply get it bleached. So we're gonna reveal my hair in 3, 2, 1. My hair is pink. I'm super excited. Obviously this outfit isn't like ideal for this hair, but like I'm obsessed. We went with like a super light blushy pink. I love it. I probably won't have this like long term, but I think it is so freaking cute. Like I love it so much. It's so different for me, but I think it's like so spunky, so cool. Hi guys, so I am on the way to go grab some lunch real quick and I thought I would talk to you. Basically, you guys know that we were supposed to go look at a house today, but we canceled our appointment. And last night we had a very deep heart-to-heart talk about what we wanted, where we wanted to go, what we wanted to do, and we came to a conclusive decision that we are not ready to settle down yet. We are still so young. We don't have kids, anything like that. We're in our early 20s. Why are we wanting to settle down? We haven't even we've lived in 2 places. We've lived in our hometown and we've lived in Orlando. 2 great places, but why not go elsewhere? So we decided together that we're gonna go to Georgia. He told me a while back that he didn't actually want to go to Texas when we were planning on moving to Texas because it's too far too soon. And I completely agree with him, and it is a big jump. So Georgia is pretty close to Florida still. It's 5 hours away to Atlanta. So I think that's a good, reasonable place to move as our first place out of state. So we're still close to our family, but it is a different scenery. It's a different lifestyle there. So I'm super excited for that. I have been apartment hunting all last night and this morning as well. And I found some really, really cool ones. Like, in Atlanta, there's a bunch of old factories and you can live in the factories. Like, they've been transformed into apartments, which is so freaking cool. I personally love that like loft, really rustic style apartments that are super open concept. Like, I love, so freaking cool. So that's the goal. I'm hoping to get one of those, but if you guys have tried to get one of those apartments before, you know they're always occupied and it's very, very hard to get in one. So we're gonna try, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna try, we're gonna live our best life. So I'm super excited for it. Like, I feel so much better knowing that we're not gonna be here. Not that like my hometown is a bad place, because it's super cool, but I just want to spread my wings a little bit, expand, you know? So I am home now and I'm about to eat my freaking salad because I am dying. But I forgot to tell you guys about my chaotic morning. So I'm just gonna do that now while I'm mixing up my salad. So basically, I'm getting ready this morning and I realized I'm out of foundation. So I'm like, okay, guess I gotta go to Walgreens. So I get ready, I head downstairs, and I realize that our garage, like the door leading into the garage, is cracked. I'm like, oh no. I never told you guys about this, but basically I have 2 cats, right? One of them, Wednesday right here, she is very social. She's lovable, right? The other cat, who you don't get to see very often, she barely comes out from underneath the bed if people are here. Like, she won't come out at all. And she's not very even social with me or G. Like, she's just not a social cat, and that's cool, whatever. So basically, whenever his cousin was here, she was hiding underneath the bed, and I noticed that door is cracked. And so the first thing I did was like run to see if she was under the bed, and she wasn't. So like, I knew she was in the garage because she will go to the furthest corner of the house to hide if someone's in the house. So I go down there, the light doesn't work in the garage, so I look and I see her freaking beady eyes staring at me, and I'm like, oh no. Normally I wouldn't be like scared to go get her or anything, but she always gets herself into stupid situations. Like today, she saw me and went underneath his car. If you guys don't know, he has a Corvette. It's very low to the ground. It's not like my Jeep. You can just go under and grab her. She could barely move underneath there. Like, that's how close it was to the ground. So I couldn't go under and grab her. He couldn't go under and grab her. So we basically had to ease her out, and that took 45 minutes. And if you guys have ever heard cats howl before or be scared, they have this like super loud howl. She was doing that for like 30 minutes. She was terrified, and I was so scared for her. I felt so freaking bad, but eventually we got her out. And that was my hectic freaking morning, trying to get my antisocial cat out from underneath the Corvette. So yeah, I'm gonna eat my salad now. I am going to close out the vlog here because I have nothing to do for the next couple days, and it would be the most unentertaining thing you guys have ever watched to see me wake up, drink coffee every morning, and pretty much sit and work. And that's not very entertaining. So I'm going to cut the vlog off here. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. I'm gonna eat a salad. Your girl's hungry. Peace out.